how to add a YouTube link to a TikTok account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a YouTube link to a TikTok account. First, go to the YouTube app on your phone. Here, reach the profile icon and tap on your YouTube account name. Now, hit on the pen icon and copy the channel URL. Next, open the TikTok app on your mobile phone. Then, go to your profile shown at the bottom. After that, tap on Edit Profile and select YouTube under the social area. Now, choose your Google account and continue it. Then your YouTube will get connected with your TikTok account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.